Let me tell you, I've discovered something that has completely changed the way I approach my Sunday resets. It's called Active. Now you might be wondering, why Active? Well, it's all about better ingredients and better formulations, leading to better products. And who doesn't want the best? Here's the thing, Active products are made with premium quality and innovative ingredients. We're talking natural enzyme formulations, oxygen-activated cleaning power, and high-purity ingredients. And these aren't just buzzwords, these are the real deal. They're concentrated, which means you're getting more of what works and less of what doesn't. What does that mean for you? It means these products work better than anything else out there. They give you more value for your money, more active ingredients without any of those unnecessary fillers, and more servings per product. Plus, they're designed to be cost-effective and eco-friendly, with less packaging and lower shipping costs. So whether you're looking to freshen up your laundry, clean your home, or just make your Sunday reset easier, Active has you covered. And here's a little something extra. Use code 32N9K8FF at checkout on Amazon.com to save on any of their items. This code can be used multiple times, so stock up ready to transform your Sunday reset. Grab yours today.